yes, going for another one of my walks around Chiang Mai this morning, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is getting some breakfast here at this particular restaurant. And so I'll show you where it is, what I've eaten, and then we're going to go for a bit of a walk around this sort of area. Anyway, I'm off. Time for breakfast. So I'm in Chiang Mai Old Town this morning getting some breakfast, but I'm just going to show you the menu of where we are and show you what they've actually got on the menu, and then later what we actually ordered for breakfast. So let's get into the menu. So yes, so we're looking at the Urana Boutique Hotel here, where we're actually eating this morning. We have room service. There's the address here where we're actually eating. So just looking over the menu here, you have a range of sort of Thai foods on the menu. So you can see here's a good range of Thai foods if you're after something Thai. And then you start to get into some sort of, some other Thai sort of things. Always popular, the Kopao, but you can usually get it for about 55 baht in the markets. But I do like this American fried rice, that's always good. And then you got a few Western options where we start to get into a bit of spaghetti. And some spaghetti with sandwiches. Got yourself a little pork steak there if that's what you feel like. And let's go over here. So here, sandwiches if you just want sandwich, or fish and chips, or your burger for $2.29. And got some sort of entrees, or your tuna salads, some other sort of snacks, depending on what you feel like. Bacon sandwich. And some different types of sandwiches that you can get as well here. Fresh fruit, pancake, and some other mixed fruit and yogurt. And of course you've got your coffee menu here that you can see. What they call dirty coffee. And yes, also you have these sort of breakfast sets if you're just after something quick. So what I'm doing, I'm trying the fried rice breakfast set this morning. Or you do have an American breakfast if you want something in a little bit more detail. So the main road of Chiang Mai Old Town's out here. This is one of the little side streets here. And we've eaten in before. There's a nice kitchen opposite us. And there's tourist information opposite the road here as well, if you go into it. Tattoo parlour next door. And but yes, so this is where we're eating today, as you can see. And it is a hotel, the Aurora Boutique Hotel that we're sitting in. And yes, we're just sitting on the outside here. So a nice little setup just to sit and have a bite to eat. So yes, we're going to sit here and enjoy some breakfast. Yeah, so it's nothing fancy, but I'm starting off with my coffee. They gave me a bit of milk, just orange juice and the water. So this is the first thing on the menu. So now what we've ordered, En's just pouring here. What did you order? You've ordered some sort of yogurt. Yogurt muesli. Look at that. Yogurt muesli. That looks really nice, that yogurt muesli.
With honey.
With honey. What's that? What do you think, my dear? Tasty? Right. That's really nice yogurt. So the second dish we've ordered is American fried rice. It doesn't look too bad. Fried rice, bit of an egg, some vegetable on the side, some chicken, sausages, and a bit of ham. That's your American fried rice here. So I just ordered a standard fried rice, just with a bit of chicken. So you can see, not too bad. Nothing fancy, but a nice simple breakfast. So yes, had breakfast, and so now I'm just going for a bit of a walk around the area where I had breakfast this morning. So let's show you guys around where I actually am. Now this place is good. It's got a lot of boutique hotels down this section of Chiang Mai Old Town, as well as it's got, a lot of little cafes, Thai restaurants. If you're after some basic toiletries, there's cheap places here to get some toiletries as well. And at night there is a few bars and restaurants around here as well. But let's just keep walking and I'll show you what's here. Now, along this area here you go, there's an optical shop. There's a lot of little cafes along here. You can get tuk-tuks around here really easily, just to give you context. And yes, just give me a second here while I adjust this. Sort of bouncing around a little bit there. See tuk-tuks, nice bridge. You can rent motorbikes across the road there by the looks of it. And down this particular area here, this is where we ate breakfast this morning. Now you've got a lot of fresh markets if you're after some fresh food. And further, you've got coffees there to the right. And you've got a lot of little cafes here where you can grab some breakfast. But yeah, in here is fresh food markets. And you can get a lot of sort of dried fruits and things like that in here as well. Or nuts and other sorts of snacks, all packaged in this place. Yes, if you like your gardening, you can buy all your gardening things if you actually live here as an expat. And you've got a few massage places down here as well. Plus you've got a fair few tourist information places up and down the road here where you can get some tours. Again, bakeries. Boutique hotels, there's a few of them along here. See, massage. A lot of them here. It looks like one's for sale. Looks like a nice little massage there, 2 hours. There you go, 2-hour massage, 450 baht. Can't complain with that. There's a fair few massages down here, by the looks of it. If you like your fishies eating your feet, 15 minutes, 60 baht, 30 minutes, 100 baht. They're actually quite ticklish, those things. Walking up and down. Nice kitchen. Eaten here before, not too bad. Can't complain. This place here was quite nice this morning. I enjoyed my breakfast. Though I did like their yogurt and salad. Yogurt and fruit, that was a really nice breakfast. Again, 1 hour massage. So if you like your oil massage, looks like 350 baht there. For oil massage. Again, more cafes along this way. So yeah, down this particular road, you've got a lot of those sort of small boutique hotels. There's a bar in here, in these side streets. We'll keep walking down here, just see what's down here for a little while. Bit of a more traditional looking house there, with the old wood design on it. Looks like another hotel down here. So even this road alone, a few different hotels on it, on this walk. That little restaurant, Chada Mantra. It's like a little boutique hotel. Lucky too. See, this road is just full of little cafes, little restaurants, even pizza here. You can get this place. Oh, there's so many pizza places in Chiang Mai. It's not funny. Oh, look at this little street. Looks sort of trendy actually. What's down here? Just out of curiosity. Looks like a restaurant that opens at night. Tattoo place around this street. Another massage place. So more tourist information. Another cafe. Another boutique hotel. This one looks kind of trendy. Ah, not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, so apparently that these side streets here at night have a bit of markets. I don't know which night of the week it is, but apparently can get quite lively in these back streets here in Chiang Mai. So yes, maybe I have to come back here at night and actually see what goes on here amongst all these boutique hotels and stuff like that around here. But yeah, trendy little street coffee, more stylish guest houses. Actually have no idea where this road's taking me. There's a lot of little boutique sort of places down the back here. Wonder where this is going to come out. Your house, rooms and restaurant. Oh, look at the street art here. Okay, see, little cafes hidden down the side streets here. So iced lattes, about 50 baht. There you go, cappuccinos. Tempting. Ah, I just figured out where I am. Or did I? Yes, I know where I am now. I was walking down these side streets going, where the heck am I going? And I just realised, see another mountain coffee shop. But where we're actually heading to is the Nightlife district. So here, 5 p.m. to 12 p.m. in this particular area here, there's a whole bunch of street food that's actually opened. But I'll take you around. It's the bars that me and Anne have been at before. And it gets quite lively here at night. So yeah, if you want to stay near the bars, or you can get up and dance and have a few drinks and stuff like that, then this place, these sort of little boutique hotels, could be exactly for you. Here's another little cafe here. I'm tempted. I'm going to sit in one of these cafes soon and actually get a bite to eat. But yeah, cafes galore around here. It's really good. Yeah, massive choice of different types of food. So this is where we are. And I'm going to take a walk down here. Because here, at night, all these shops are open here. There's a lot of different restaurants along here. And this one's just Thai food. Yeah, after secondhand books. Got secondhand books here as well. Keep going. But the reason I'm pointing out this street is I'll have to come back up here at night as well. See Burger Queen, so cafe and breakfast. Another trendy cafe along here. Sweeney Todd's barbershop if you need a haircut. So yes, I'm just sort of continuing to walk back up from where that bar area is. Walking up to the gates here. And but yeah, all this area at night comes alive with a lot of bars and people walking up and down here. And I'm going to continue to walk up here. Yeah, from about 12 you can grab a beer, like I just did. Sat down, had a bit of a beer. And now heading up along here. But yes, boutique hotel. So yeah, this is just full of boutique hotels. But anyway, I just got a message that Anne's going from one job to another. So I'm just trying to get on to her and see what she's after. But I missed a call from her. Didn't even hear the call going. Not sure why. So you can rent bikes here as well. The reason I'm just filming here is because I am coming up to the main road area here. So this is quiet now. And I just wanted to film it now because I'm just showing you what it looks like in the daylight. And this is where you want to come during the night. If you want to relax, have a beer, have a good feed, this street's pretty good for that. And I should show you guys the name of the street. I'm just going to get to the top first. So you can see there's a lot of night bars here. Massage, oil massage, 650. Oh, that is a bit of a expensive one. Must be a fancy place. This particular massage. But let's keep walking. No, I live here.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, so I'm just walking up to the main road here. There's the smokehouse over there, which I've eaten at before. There's Candy Club, which is a nightclub that's opened after hours. So all this area where I've been walking around, there's a few bars, cafes, restaurants like this that are all in the area. Cannabis every day. Oh, there you go. Leather goods. Looks like all leather bags and everything. Bike rental, if you want that sort of stuff. And I've just taken my mic out. I was using that earlier, but I'd stopped filming. I was filming at high resolution and it was chewing up my battery. But anyway, I'm almost back where I've started now. And then I'm going to go back and get my car and head home, I think. But yeah, this area is good. And here's another not bad Thai restaurant, I must admit. Just here. There are pharmacies. You can find pharmacies everywhere. It's easy. So this one's okay. It's always busy. Sadi Cup. And yeah, these red buses, you always get tours. I did get one guy, a local tour guide who spoke really good English. Maybe give him a plug because he speaks good English. That you could book. So let's go back. Oh, maybe I should cross over here. That seems easier. See, tuk-tuks are galore. Get tuk-tuks everywhere. Yeah, so I'm just crossing this little bridge here. But yeah, this area is really good. Just to stop, walk down the side streets. At night, apparently it comes alive a lot more. I'm just showing you what it looks like during the day. And yeah, you got the little canal here that we're walking across. And I'm walking back out to get my car where I parked it up here. So I just thought I'd end this video. Now I'm back home. Just basically saying that, yes, that's during the day. All your cafes are open. You can get a good breakfast. From 12 o'clock, they're going to be serving some alcohol down these streets. And at night, all these bars open up. So after 5 p.m, that's when you start walking the streets. I was talking to one of the bartenders there today in one of the bars down near where all those disco stuff is. Well, a lot of the nightclub sort of stuff is, bars. And they were saying from about 7 o'clock, the people start to come in. But from what I noticed at night time in these areas, from about 10 p.m, it's super alive. So if you're a young person looking for a beer, looking for a good feed, I reckon come in late evening. And well, from 7 p.m, you can get a good feed. Some places close by 10, but then a lot of the bars and that are open a lot later in this area where I was filming today. So yes, another relaxing area in Chiang Mai. I'll probably come back here on another evening just to film what it's like at night, but this is in the mornings. Anyway, have a beautiful day, and if you like these sort of walkabouts, hit like and please subscribe.